So good morning students, can you recall what we have done in yesterday's class? We have learned something new. Can you recall? We have done French alphabets. So like English, we have 26 letters in French alphabet and we have learned them from A, Z, from A to Z, and we have learned their pronunciation in French. So now we will going to cover a small topic which is left. We will going to learn vowels also. In English, we have vowels. How many vowels do we have? So we have 5 vowels in English. So same vowels we have in French. Now we will going to learn them. What will be their pronunciation? Please pay attention. Vowels. Voyelle. Vowels is voyelle. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. So this is their pronunciation in English. And in French, how we will going to pronounce? A, E, O, U. Okay, so I am repeating again. Please pay attention. A, E, O, U. So this is same as our English, but we have to remember one more thing. H. H is ash. This we have done. H is ash. So H is silent in French. So what does it mean? It is silent. Do we write it or not? Or we just do not pronounce it? So we write it. Suppose we have a word hotel in English. So we have to put this accent. This we will also going to learn in today's class. Chapeau. This is like a hat. We wear a cap or a hat. Same way we put a chapeau. We are putting this letter O. So it becomes hotel. So we have to skip the pronunciation of H. O we have done O. So it becomes hotel. Hotel is hotel. We write it. We write letter H, but we never pronounce it. Okay, we skip the letter H in French. This is clear? So just make a note. There are 5 vowels in French and 1 letter which is H, and it is silent in French. We write it but we never pronounce it. Do you want me to pronounce the vowel again? Vowels. Vowel is called voyelle. A, E, O, U. And 1 letter which is H. It is mostly silent in French. We write it but we do not pronounce it. So we have example. Hotel. H is silent. So hotel. Hotel become hotel. Same way we have hospital in English. So H is silent, it become hospital. Om. Om is man. This H is silent and O is O. So Om. So here you can write 2 examples. Hotel and Om. And like English, we have 5 vowels in French. A, E, O, U. Okay, so students, in today's class, we will going to learn a very important topic, accent. So here you can see this is we have placed on this letter O. So same way we have some accent in French that we will going to learn in our today's class. And basically this is the accent which make it different from English language. Otherwise we have done the French alphabet. They look like same as English. Can we move on? All of you have make a note. Les accents. Les accents. Les accents is accent. So we will going to learn accent. What is accent and how many accent are there? So accent are the symbols which are placed above and below certain letters in French. What is accent? So what is accent? Accent are the symbols placed above and below certain letters in French. And there are some accent which also affects the pronunciation of letters that we will going to learn. So now we will going to learn how many accents are there in French.
Stop topic last time. Jayavardhan, अगर नहीं पढ़ना, you can go out of the class. You are writing? Just show me your notebook. Come here. Come here.
How many accents are there in French? So there are 5 accents in French. How many accents are there? There are 5 accents in French. So first one we have accent aigu. First accent is accent aigu. So aigu is the name of accent. Accent aigu. So this we place on letter E. We will going to write E, then towards the right. It should incline towards right. Letter E, then accent. So accent aigu, this we placed on letter E. So now we will going to see some example of accent aigu. École. École is school. So we have done this letter E is E, A, B, C, D, E. But here when we put this accent, it become A. École. École is school. Second example we have elephant. 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 So we have taken first accent aigu. This we put on letter E. And we have done two examples. École is school, and elephant is elephant. So this accent, it changed the pronunciation of letter E. Letter E is A, but when we put this accent, it become A. École, elephant. So now we will going to take our second accent. Accent grave. Accent grave. So this we put on letter A, E, and U. Okay, so how we will going to put? We will going to write A, then accent. It should be towards our left. It should be towards our left. We have also done greeting a bientôt. So letter A is A, and we have done greeting a bientôt. A bientôt. See you soon. A demain. A bientôt is see you soon. A demain is see you tomorrow. So we have done A is A, and when we put the accent, then it's also A. So it doesn't affect the pronunciation. So here it remains the same. So now we will going to take this letter E. Règle. Règle is ruler or scale, which we used to draw the line. So E is A, but when we put this accent, it become A. Règle. Règle. So here it changed the pronunciation. Accent grave changed the pronunciation of letter E. Now we will going to see letter U. O-U, U. U is where. Where. And this we have done a Jo Abita Jodhpur. So I live in Jodhpur. So when we will going to make the questions in French, then we will going to use this U. U is where. So U is U. Here also U. So here also it does not affect the pronunciation. Even though we have put the accent, but the pronunciation remains the same. It only change in with letter E. So with accent aigu, we have done two examples, ACOL and elephone. ACOL is school and elephone is elephant. And with accent graph, it is put on letter A, E, U. And we have done example, abhiyanto. Abhiyanto is see you soon. Adamet, see you tomorrow. Regal. Regal is ruler or scale. And who is where.
Take
Yes.
You can repeat this accent.
Yes, yes. I'm repeating.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Okay. So first one we have axon aigu. AI we also pronounce as A. So first axon we have axon aigu. This we put on letter E. Okay. So letter E, we have done alphabet. So E is A. E is A. But when we put this accent, it become A. It become A. Here we have example, ACOL. ACOL is school. Then second example we have elephant. Elephant is elephant. So these are in French, we make the combination of word. If AN is there, we pronounce it on. AI is A. So this is our first accent. Second accent we have accent grave. This we put on letter A, E, U. And there is a change in the accent. First is inclined towards the right and it is inclined towards left. And this we put on letter A, E, U. So here are the example. A is A. So abhiyanto, see you soon. Adamet. So even though we have put this accent on A, but it doesn't affect the pronunciation. It remains the same. So there is no change in the pronunciation. We have put on letter E. So E is A. E is A. But when we put this accent, it becomes A. We have this example, regle. Regle, A. Regle is ruler or scale. Second, then we have third accent, we have put on letter U. U is U. Even though we have put the accent, but the pronunciation is same. So the pronunciation only change in letter E. Otherwise, it remains same for A and U. And here we have example U. U is where. Now this is clear. We are going to see a third accent. Accent circumflex. Accent circumflex. This we put in letter. We take all the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And how we do it? We make a chapeau. Okay? We make like a chapeau, a head or a cap. So first we have to draw this line, then again this. So we have to make a chapeau. This we will going to put on letter A-E-I-O-U. Circumflex, this we put on mostly vowels. All the vowels are there. A-E-I-O-U. Now we will going to take few examples. This we have done. How old are you? So, aaj. How you will going to draw? In this way, you will going to draw it. You have to make a chapeau, like a head. Aaj. Aaj is age. Aaj is age. Oot. Oot is August. Oot. This is the name of month. When we have discussed this, we are now we are going to take one more example. This we have discussed hotel. Hotel is hotel. So this is our third exercise. Axon circumflex. This we put on letter A-E-I-O-U. And the examples are aaj. Aaj is age. Oot. Oot is August. Hotel. Hotel is hotel. We are not pronouncing this H. Ash. Because this is silent. And the biggest in this accent, the letters remain same. It doesn't affect the pronunciation. So this accent does not have any effect or it does not impact the letters. A is A. So A, we pronounce the same. E is A. I is E. O is O and U is U. So this accent does not affect the pronunciation. Pronunciation remains the same. And here we have example. Aaj. Aaj is age. Oot. August. Hotel. Hotel is hotel. Okay, so now we are moving on accent 4. Sedai. Sedai. This is our fourth accent. So this we put on letter C. So how you will going to, this is your line. You have to draw C. You have to draw letter C and then put small s. Again, have a look. This is your line. You have to draw letter C. Say, then small s. So the pronunciation of C is say, but when we put this accent, it becomes so. So. Okay, so now we will going to take some example. Please have a look. Français. Français. Français is French. Français. Second example, we have done word garçon. Garçon is boy. Garçon is boy. So this say become so. Français, garçon. So when we put this accent, it affects the pronunciation of letter say. This fourth accent, it is called sedai. and this is put on letter C. Sedai, and this is put on letter C. Examples we have done. Français. Français is French. Garçon. Garçon is boy. And this we also do if you speak French. So how you will going to say? Je parle français. I speak French. Je suis un garçon. I am a boy. So now we are going to take our last accent, trema. This we put on two letters. E and I. You have to write letter E, then you have to draw two dots. E, two draw. Then it become trema. Now we will going to see some examples. Noel. Noel is Christmas. Second example we will going to take maize. Maize is corn. So in this accent prema, to pronounce the word separately. That's why we use this accent.